Hello viewers, today we are talking about one of the most exciting updates from the WhatsApp voice transcription. If you have ever struggled to listen to the voice notes, especially in noisy environment or when you are short on time, this feature is a game changer. How to enable voice transcript feature in WhatsApp. First of all, if you are not using the latest version of WhatsApp, make sure to update your WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, go to setting, tap on chat, look for the voice transcription option, turn it on. Currently it supports a few languages. If you don't see the option yet, don't worry, this feature is being rolled out gradually, so it might take a few days to appear on your account. Now go back to your chat. When you receive a voice message, tap on it. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will see any option transcribe. Tap it and watch the message turn into text instantly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.